Hi guys! Welcome back to 99 Lifestyle. I'm Lee and I'll be showing you today my cool or rainy look. This kind of makeup is very simple, it's basic. Those newbies right there, shout out, and I'll be showing you something that's so simple that you can do it with minimal products. So that's the kind of person I am because I like those kind of simple things that you could just put on your face so quick and easy and then go out. First off, we need water or water mist. For me, this is my main primer because I don't really put much primer on my face. So let's get it. So for primer, I know a few of you think that primer is needed. It's a must maybe for you guys, which is good for you. But for me, the simple products that I use doesn't really involve primer. Mainly involves my favorite. It's just my go-to. Sometimes when I go out, I just use this. So here, it's my favorite sunscreen. So right now, since it's a cold weather, I feel like this kind of straight to the face kind of sunscreen protection, that kind of look is fine. So I put an amount of that. If I need a little more, I just put tinted moisturizer. So we're going to warm it up in our hands. And then first I put on my neck, because don't forget your neck. And then I spread it all up. See? Now, this product diffuses when it's in your skin already. Just have to spread it out. Now, spreading is important here. Now, I'm a fair-skinned girl, like naturally white. See? I'm naturally white, so this one works for me without adding a little more tint on my sunscreen. Those Filipinas out there that have, the tan skin, dark colored skin, then you can put tint here. As long as the first thing you're going to do on your face is sunscreen. Sunscreen is so important, even if it's on a cloudy day or rainy day, there is UVB or UVA rays as well. There's radiation everywhere when you're just exposed to the sun, so you need to cover yourself. Now, the Megan sunscreen has SPF 50, but did you know that you're not supposed to just put sunscreen once the whole day and then after that you don't need to put sunscreen anymore? You need to put sunscreen almost every 2 hours, especially if you feel like you've sweated a lot of it already off. So you have to put and reapply. That's it. That's the base of my face. And then after that, I'll be using my favorite gray, since my hair is a bit grayish or silver right now. So cool tone kind of eyebrows, since black tones like that, cool tone eyebrows is what you're going to use. But if your hair is brown, then of course 2 shades lighter than your hair color is what you should put on your brows so it would match. So there, he's spreading it simply. This. So there, I think we got it. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Now, your brows don't need to be perfect. No brows that are natural are perfect. So having your brows look, not really symmetrical doesn't mean that you have ugly brows, okay? So that's my advice to you. Natural doesn't have to be perfect like box type and identical, okay? Next up is the eyeshadows. So what I'm gonna do with this eye look today is just really simple. Like I said, this is quick and easy, cool tone kind of makeup look. I have this famous, I don't know if it's that famous, it's LA Colors kind of eyeshadows. This was a gift to me, and I would just like to keep it on these tones right here, so upper tones. There, see? So these cool tones will be perfect for me. But I don't really put it with brushes. Like I said, this is simple things, simple techniques that you can do. So use your finger, mainly the lighter touched finger, which is the ring finger. Then just put it on that kind of soft silvery. There, see that? It's nice. And then just put it here on your eyes. Now this is shimmery, so you have to be careful with this. Now this is the base. See? Ooh. There. I don't know if you can see there. You can see that it's soft and light, you know. And then after that, you're going to put on some brown. So you're going to get this brown here. It's a cool tone kind of brown. You can see it there. See, it's still shimmer, I know, but it's what I have right now. And if I wanted a simple one, like a really simple one, I wouldn't do this. So that, and then just put it here, corner. I think it looks decent. I'm just exposing it here. So you spread it there. See? It's nice and light, okay? Like I said, you use your ring finger, so it'll be soft, okay? And then after that, see, my eyes look more awake. I mean, for me, shimmer makes my eyes pop out more, makes it more wide awake, especially if you focus on putting it on the center of these eyes of yours, your eyelids, right? And there, so that. So after you put that, you're going to focus more on. So this is focusing on eyes, okay? The lips will really be simple, and I'll show you at the finished product. After that, after the shadows, I'm gonna get again my brow pencil and then just put a line there. And right now, I'm just more on stretching it up. That shadow. There, see? And same here. Now, I'm showing this to you because, like, if you are a newbie, you're just starting up with practicing your makeup. Like me, I'm not yet the perfect person to put on makeup. Just like, that's why I said that my eyeshadow, I just swipe it there and then swipe it there. No blending. Oh, blend, but not the whole cast kind of colors. Because this one is just simple. You're just gonna put eyeliner on the corner of your eye. And this is a daytime look, okay? So you have to make sure that your face is not like too strong for people to see, because having a strong eye look, like the whole heavy eyeliner, you shouldn't really do that. It doesn't really bring out the natural look on your face, which is, you should, come on, love your face. That's what God gave you, okay? See, my eyes look a bit more bigger, pop. And then after that, a simple mascara. So with this look, I don't really put blush. So my blush, I'm not into the blush kind of thing. That's just, I guess, that's just me. I mean, a lot of people would go to with the blush. But for me, no. If I want to put on blush, here's my trick. So, but I need a closer up mirror here. The aloe vera tinted lip balm. So I first put it on my lips. And it diffuses a tint. See, it's a nice tint. Simple, soft, like that. And then I'm going to put this everywhere I need to put blush. So it's just here. See, because it has a tint. Because, like I said, it diffuses. And then I spread it up. It diffuses a tint. The formula of it. So, just like that. This one, I'm keeping it really light. I mean, see, it's just a really light tint. And then here. Because I am pale. I want to put a bit more liveliness to this. Like I said, it's like a cool tone kind of look, but it's more natural, okay? So you still need to look alive. That is meaning my cheeks, my face, and the best part is the mascara. Eyelash curler, sorry. Eyelash curler, which is there. And then, technique to eyelash, so it doesn't really clump up on your eyelash. You know, open the mascara like that, then let it dry a bit. There, you could blow it too. And then put up there. Okay, I missed. Now for me, I'm the mascara kind of girl, so for me, even if you just put on a simple face base and then put on mascara, then your lip balm or your lip tint, you're good to go. Oh, don't forget the brows. Then you're good to go. You can leave and conquer the world. That's me actually on a daily basis. I mean, when we go out and then I just really want to do a lazy girl look, like a really lazy look, I just put on my sunscreen, then my brows, a decent looking brows, and then mascara, then a lip balm. A lip balm is a must. Mascara is a must. It's an automatic. You don't go outside without mascara. You don't go outside without sunscreen, okay? Sunscreen. I've been reading about sunscreen for a cool weather makeup. Like what? There's my look. There is my simple, cool makeup look. Now, I know that it's a concern to a few of you because I am pale white. I am a white fair skin color, and most of you that probably might be watching this are a little darker than me, but like I said, all you need to do is know your colors, what works for your face, the neutral colors, okay? What brown looks good on you. If you're a bit warmer, maybe try to blend it with a lighter, cool tone. Slowly transition from it, and you don't have to like easily say, oh, this is the color, okay? It doesn't have to be strong. It doesn't have to show to people like, oh, I have makeup on. Like, won't you like it if people say that, oh, you look so gorgeous today, did you put on makeup? Like that, or that's your natural face. You have to love it, you have to show it. And you know what better way to show it than a simple lash like this, simple shadow there, just to enhance your face. That's mainly it, and a little few, you know, advices. And this is how I look whenever I go out meeting my friends on a nice city, and then, you know, cold weather, rainy weather. See? There. So that's it for today. I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Ring the bell so you know the next video that comes up on my channel. Bye!